Hey Creep family, it's your girl Monica again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you look number 6 in our 13 Days of Halloween series with the Babadook. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more spooky shenanigans, as well as like, comment, and share this video if you enjoy it. But without further ado, if you'd like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so to start, I'm going to take a sip of coffee, and yes, that is a Henry Cavill mug, thank you for noticing. So to start, I am blocking out my brows like we've pretty much been doing in every video so far. So I'm taking my Elmer's glue stick, putting a bunch of glue on there, pulling the hairs upwards flat against my head with a spoolie, and then putting another 5 or so layers of glue on there. Once that is dried down completely, I'm going in with my color correcting palette and using the dark peach shade in the palette. I'm using this to color correct my eyebrows to just have them disappear into my face. So I'm placing the product down, blending it out with my finger, and then putting some translucent setting powder over that. Once that's all done, I'm then moving on to sketching out the mouth. So I'm just using a white eyeliner for this, and then going in with my white cream paint and filling in the rest of my face with the white. Then taking a black eyeshadow, I'm going to start kind of sketching out and contouring the face and reshaping it with this. So I'm going to be putting some on the sides of my nose here, as well as creating these kind of smile fold line things on my cheeks. So actually smiling does help to kind of just show the placement of where those lines would go. Obviously, like with all of our character looks, go ahead and use a reference picture to really get this as accurate as possible. So once you get that down, I'm then also going in and setting the rest of my face with a translucent setting powder, as this will make blending our shadows way easier over top of that. So I'm going back in with the nose contour, and I'm kind of making sure to do this like as a wide set nose. So making sure to really put it on the sides of the nose, as well as underneath where the folds of these cheeks are. But like I said, just kind of look at your reference picture, figure out where you need to put things. I'm then placing some white on the sides of my nostrils just to give the illusion of a wider set nose. We're then moving on to the eyes, so I'm just using a black eye pencil to create the base of my eyeshadow, blending that out with a brush, and then placing some black eyeshadow over top of that. Once I've got that all blown out and crazy looking, I'm then grabbing my black water activated paints, putting this on a brush and just splattering this all over my face to create a kind of dirtied up texture, and then also using that same face paint to start creating these kind of sketchy little lines around my eyes, nose, and the cheeks. Then going in with a white water activated face paint, I'm just placing this on my brush and starting to paint in the teeth inside the mouth. I'm going to make them kind of big here, as the Babadook generally is shown with a gigantic smile. So we're just going ahead and doing that now. Once that's all done, I am then outlining the mouth with our black water paints, also filling in the inside of the mouth and outlining all the teeth. We're then creating these kind of dramatic smile lines along the ends of the smile, and also lining out the cheeks and underneath the nose to make them really pop even more. I'm then placing a little kind of line underneath the bottom of the mouth to almost kind of create a faux lip, and then also making sure to shade underneath that as well. Lastly, I'm doing some finishing touches by putting some shading around the perimeter of my forehead and temples. And then you gotta go on and throw on the rest of your outfit and contacts, and voila! You are now the Babadook. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, you guys are the best. I love you all. Be sure to stick around to check out the next video in our Halloween series. There are 5 more videos before this one, so if you haven't checked those out, go and do that now. But as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah!